In this video, I will show you exactly how to update your LG TV software step by step, including how to check for the latest update, download and install it safely, and turn on automatic updates so you don't have to keep checking manually. And if your LG TV won't update, don't worry, I will show you what to do. And so grab your LG remote and follow along with me, and let's get your updated and running smoothly again. Step 1. Connect your LG TV to the internet. First, make sure your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet. Go to settings, then choose for all settings, then go for network. Connect to your Wi-Fi network or connect to the TV to your router using an Ethernet cable. A stable internet connection is recommended before starting the update. Second step is open settings. Press the settings button on your LG remote, then select all settings. Third step is open software update. For most newer LG TVs running webOS 5.0 or later, choose all settings, then go for support, then go for software update. On some older LG TVs, the path may be all settings, then go for general, then choose about this TV and go for check for updates. LG notes that the menu location depends on the webOS version. Fourth step is check for updates. Select check for updates. Your TV will connect to LG servers and check whether a newer software version is available. If your TV says no updates available, your TV is already running the latest software available for the model. Fifth step is download and install. If an update is available, select download and install. The TV will download the firmware and begin the installation. Important, don't turn off the TV or unplug the power cable while the updating is installing. LG says firmware updates are released as needed to improve features, fix bugs and sometimes add applications. Sixth step is wait for the installation. Allow the TV to finish the update. The TV may restart automatically, display an installation screen, temporarily show a blank screen, turn off and back on. Don't press buttons or disconnect the TV during the installation. Seventh step is turn on automatic updates. After updating, you can enable automatic updates. Go to settings, then choose for all settings, then go for support, then choose software update, then turn on allow automatic updates on. On some older models, this option is located under general. Go for support and choose software update. This allows the TV to automatically update when new firmware becomes available. Eighth step is check the software version. To verify the update settings, then choose all settings, go for support, then choose software update. You can check the current software version from this section. You can also use update this TV on supported models to view the TV information. If LG TV won't update, if check for update doesn't work, try these fixes. Check your Wi-Fi connection, restart your router, restart the LG TV, check the TV has enough network access, try a wired Ethernet connection, check LG support page for your exact TV model, try updating the TV using the USB flash drive. USB software update. LG also supports manual USB firmware update. You need a computer and appropriate USB flash drive and the correct firmware for your exact LG TV model. Download a firmware from LG TV support site, exact it and place it inside the folder name exactly. LG DTV. Insert the USB drive into the TV. If the TV recognizes the update, it can be display USB update ready, after which you can select install. Never install firmware intended from the different TV model.